Okay, this is a tutorial on how to make the funny mini Christmas card and envelope on your Cricut. These make a great gag gift for this year. You can sell them at craft shows, whatnot. Okay, so first I'm going to upload the SVG file that I have. So this is what it comes in, right? It should be the right size. You're going to want to ungroup everything. These are just the instructions, so I'm going to delete them. So you're going to delete them too. It looks backwards as you see it, but this is so that your pen can write here, and then when it folds, it will be forward. So if your paper has two different sides, put the side that you want to be the front facing down. Okay, so we're also going to go over here and we're going to grab this line and change it to a score line. And we're going to go over here and grab all the text and we're going to change it to pen, and you can select the pen you want. And then we're going to select all of this. You can drag over it or just select it over here, and we're going to go attach. And so basically you just send it to your machine, and this will cut out in a different color obviously, and follow the prompts. Put the score tool in, put the pen tool in, and once it's done you can take it all off, fold it, and then insert this card into the little slits, and it will be the right way around, and you have your cards. And you can make more than one on a page because they're little, so you can make a whole bunch at a time. Just let your machine go do the work for you. Okay, so that is for the card. Now we are going to do the envelope. So I'm going to grab the envelope SVG, and it's going to come in looking like this, which is a little funny. So you are going to actually ungroup it. You can delete this. These are the instructions, just in case people don't watch the video. You're going to select the red box over here, and you're going to go up to basic cut. You are going to score it, and then you are going to select all of this. You can drag over or select it over here, and you are going to attach, and then you can send it to make it. I would suggest a lighter medium paper, obviously lighter than the cardstock that you're using for the card. And then you just assemble it like any envelope, fold along the lines, put a little bit of double-sided tape or glue, and adhere it. And there you go. You got a beautiful, easy, funny Christmas card. Thanks for watching.